You can make millions of dollars on YouTube. You can use it to buy a house, a Lamborghini, Ferrari, take trips around the world, do anything you like. All you need to do is make a video of yourself doing foolish things, going to market, cooking, eating, and upload. Making money on YouTube is hard, very, very hard. Hi guys, my name is Gifty Morgan. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If this is your first time of seeing my face, hi, welcome. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how much YouTube paid me for a video of 1.6 million views. I know if you've been following me for a while now, you know that I had a viral video and that is how my channel blew up. And this is a disclaimer, like this is the hardest video I will film, to be honest. Bringing finance here, I don't know, like it's not really me, it's not me. Like it took me a long time to come to this decision, and I just want to do it to explain certain things to you guys and to also tell you why I want to quit YouTube. So just sit down and relax. Putting up this video is not in any way I want to brag that I made this money, or I want to talk down on the platform, or maybe I want to come and show myself, or all of those things. It's never like that. I just want to use this video to teach people something. So sit back, relax, and watch to see what I have to do. First thing first, you know that if you want to start YouTube, you want your YouTube to be monetized, you have to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, which is the threshold for monetization. That is a lot actually for some people, and it is easy for some people. So in this video, there's a lot to be considered. You really can't tell how much a creator makes in a video because there's a lot to be considered. We have the CPM, which is the cost advertisers are willing to pay per 1,000 views. Another factor is the geographic area. If you have US viewers, UK viewers, you know, if you have other people in other countries apart from people in Nigeria, your pay tends to be higher, and that is simply because the CPM from other countries is higher than we that in Nigeria. So I'm just going to show you guys my analytics so that you see what it looks like. Let's go. Okay, so this is the video. Jesus' Wedding Turn Revival. This was the viral video that I published on the 9th of March 2021. Okay, let's go to the analytics. So in the analytics, we have the overview. This video was viewed for over 1.6 million. The watch time is 112,464. That is how many hours people watched it. 112,000 hours. This video gave me 14,250 subscribers. So out of 18,000 subscribers that I have, 14,000 came from this video. That is huge. Then the audience retention is 2 points. Okay, on the average is 4.6. And I have suggested videos. Some people came through browser feature, some people came through YouTube search. And then from the reach, this video was able to reach 20 million people. Wow, 20.2 million people. So this impression is just how many people that YouTube showed my video. Yeah, how many people that, so out of 20 million people that YouTube showed my video, 1.6 million viewed. You can imagine if the 20 million people clicked. Anyway, so from the impression click rate, we have 4.4%. Impression click rate has to do with this is just like the beauty of your thumbnail. Is your thumbnail catchy? What will make them to click? So the impression, when YouTube showed them the video, the people that clicked was 4.8%. some people found this video through suggested video, others through YouTube features, browser feature, you know, a lot of things. And then external device, we have Google search, WhatsApp. Wow, I really don't know that I have much from WhatsApp. And then the search terms for this wedding was GUC wedding, Minister GUC wedding, GUC songs. And this is where your tagging comes to play. Whenever you're tagging your video, you have to really tag it according to what the content of the video. So we have other content suggesting my video. Most of them are GUC songs. And then coming to the engagement, we have audience retention of 3.57, and then we have 98% of likes. Now from the audience video, I have 25 to 34 years is actually higher, and then 18 to 24, so it's just between 20 and 30s. Majority was female. And then top geography depends on where people watch this from. Majority of people that watch this video, and this is 30% from Nigeria, have 9% from Kenya, 9.4 from US, we have Ghana, we have Cameroon. So fortunately or unfortunately, this is where the CPM comes to play. So I'm going to explain CPM. So from the revenue, finally, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, are you ready now? Finally, we are at the revenue. I know this is what everybody wants to see. Like, I've been blabbing since. This is just what everybody wants to see. So in this video, I made $2,069.39. yeah, and if you can see from the graph, you see how how it is going up and down and up and down and up and down. The CPM of this video is 4.4 generally, even though it goes up and down depending on when people are watching it, but the CPM on the average, the CPM is 4.6. For you to know that some videos have CPM of 11.6, and that is the cost. That, just like I said, CPM is the cost per 1,000 view, how much advertisers are willing to pay per 1,000 views. So for every 1,000 views, I was paid $4.6. Then the revenue source, most of them came from ads, skippable videos. We have skippable videos, display ad, bumper, and all. So yeah, guys, this is it. From that video, I made over ₦1 million. But there's a lot of things to consider. Remember that I uploaded that video over a year. It's over a year and 4 months that I made that video. So if you divide the money, you understand that it didn't come at the same time. And also I pay tax. I pay US tax. Like, the tax is heavy. I'm not gonna lie, the tax is heavy. So you guys, is it really worth it? Is it really worth the whole stress, the whole drama? YouTube is not easy, to be honest, but if you're lucky to have a viral video, of course it is a good thing. This money, I didn't just make it in one day. There are people that even have lower views and have more money, and these are because of a lot of factors: the length of the video, the country that is watching you, how many ads that plays on the video. I think I have just 2 ads, one at the beginning and one at the end. So it's possible that a lot of people didn't even watch the video to the end, or maybe when it's about to end, they just stop, they won't watch the second ad. So this money actually came mostly from the first ad that plays on the video. And then another factor is the length of the video. That video is not really too long, so if it was longer than that, maybe I would have had more than 2 ads. And then my viewers, from the video, you can see that the viewers, I have more from Nigeria. So if I had more from the US or UK, Canada and stuff, you understand that my CPM would have been higher than that. So there's a lot of factors to be considered when you want to make your videos. So is it really worth it? Is it really worth it? Is it worth it? I would say it is worth it 100%. YouTube is a platform that helps creators to showcase themselves, show off their talents, show off their lifestyle, just basically create content for audience. And YouTube feels like a family. If you know, like they organize events, they make you feel like you're really important. It's just an easy platform to navigate. It's about to rain. It's just an easy platform to navigate. So if you're in this country, especially I'm talking to those in Nigeria, if you're in this country and you're earning in dollar, you are at advantage, because you know that the dollar goes high. Even though we creators, we are happy when we change the money and it looks big, but we are not happy that it's going higher, because the higher it goes, the higher things get expensive. For you to buy a dress in this country, a good dress, like nothing less than 10k, you are at advantage if you're earning in dollar. And which company wants to pay you this from the comfort of your home, except for those in tech and all those cryptocurrency things? Another thing is you're a boss of your own. I'm filming this video like about 5 p.m. So at my own convenience, when I am free. You don't have anybody bossing you around. You're a boss of your own. You do what you want when you want. I can decide to edit it later at night. I can decide not to edit it in 2 days later. So it's all on me. Trying as much as possible to stay really consistent and serious. So I'll see you in the next video. From me to you, and this is goodbye.